All right, Cerity Partners, Jim Lebenthal joins us now to assess. So, do you agree with Joe that this is exactly the kind of portfolio you want to have in this current environment?
Not exactly, but close. And the reason not exactly is because Coca-Cola kind of stands out like a sore thumb. You know, in a good year, Coca-Cola is going to get 2% sales growth. That's not very exciting. But we have to understand that Mr. Buffett has owned these stocks for, in some cases, 30 years plus. I started in this business professionally 25 years ago, and at that time, he owned Coca-Cola and American Express. He may well have owned Bank of America as well. So some of these things just are not going out of the portfolio in his lifetime. Now, where I agree with Joe, though, Scott, is some of these things are going to have decent growth going forward. You know, Apple from where it is now. Chevron, Texaco, obviously, we see what's going on with energy. And Bank of America, American Express, as the economy picks up, you know how I feel about supply chain onshoring and infrastructure spending. That needs financing, which both of those companies are going to be in. So not quite exactly in agreement with Joe, but the sore spot is Coca-Cola.
I mean, it's funny you say Coca-Cola because, you know, part of Buffett's expertise has been weathering the storm, right? And that's a stock that is, let's call it flat on the year in a decidedly down market. So I think anybody would be fortunate to be sitting in shares of Coca-Cola, certainly this year at minimum.
So, Scott, I'm not going to take shots at Warren Buffett. That's just not what I'm going to do. I do have to point out that if you look over the last, say, 10 years, you know, Coca-Cola has been less than half of the return of the S&P 500. Now, what that may be indicating, Scott, is just how badly value has underperformed growth during that time frame until the last year or so. And maybe Coca-Cola will be fine as value resumes its leadership, which is what I think is happening. That said, you know, there's different types of value stocks. Coca-Cola doesn't thrill me, but as you point out, it's stable. Something like Bank of America, American Express, Chevron, yeah, those are more thrilling in the value space.